So the next problem we are looking at is still on a law of algebra set. We are applying the law to simplify set problem. Using the laws of algebra set, simplify x union in bracket x intersection y complement, then intersection x union y intersection z. So this is what we are asked to simplify now. So let's see how to go about it. Now, remember our law of distribution. If you look at this, x is common, x here is common to both sides. It's common. X is something that they've distributed over x intersection y complement and y intersection z complement. That is what they've distributed over the two sets. So now the law of distribution, let me write it out. So we now have okay, we have x is not part of the problem. Let me use A intersection B So if you look at this, this is what they distributed. This is not the A union B, bracket open, intersection A intersection C. So this is the law of distribution. We have two laws. So this is the one I'm going to use this time around. So let me write law of distribution. So we distributed A over B and C. So that's what we distributed. So that is that. So now let's start this problem so that you see what I'm doing now. Now, I've told you x is common, is x that is distributed. So we have x union. So is x they distributed. So we now have this x intersection y. Take this man, everything here just like a single entity. Take it as a simple entity. So intersection, you can see from here. This intersection is this now. Then we have y intersection z. So let me put that in that bracket. Now we have something of this nature. So the next thing is to use the law of association or associative law. So if you look at this, the law of association, you can say that there is a complement here. There's a complement there. This is x intersection y complement. So there's a complement there. So we can say x intersection z let me write this. So what we applied is the law of distribution. Laws of distribution. So we have that. So you now have this. So I'm trying to use the law of association. So we have not altered anything. So you have y intersection y complement. Let me put this in the bracket again. So what we have done here is what we call laws of association or associative law. Let me write associative law. Associative associ- associative law. So that's what we have applied on this. Just rearranging it. It does not affect. It's just rearranging. It doesn't. So now we have X union in bracket. So this will be X intersection Z. So now Y intersection Y complement will give you a null set. So we're almost through. So let's call this law of complementation. So now we now have X union. Everything here we go to a null set. Everything there we go to a null set. So what you have here will now be a null set. Then our final answer X union null set will give you X. So let's write that. Operation with the universal set and null set. So what the law we applied there, that's it's still the same thing. It's still the same. Still the same. So that's the law we applied to that. So this is what we have at the end of the day. So we can say that everything here is equals to X. So I hope you find it interesting. You just have to learn to think, stretch your mind, and go about solving this kind of problem. So thank you for watching. So see you again in another interesting ways of solving maths. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, to subscribe to our videos. Thank you.